Hi there, I'm Bob Burridge and I'm a painter and a workshop instructor, and I'm here to tell you about my online Loosen Up workshop. I cannot wait to do this. It's so exciting, and I'm going to be covering all those single subjects that I love to do. The coffee cups, the pears, and the kitchen stuff, fruits and vegetables and things like that. Plus, I'm also going to include my Loosen Up landscapes using those 4 popular compositions, and I am also going to be doing my drip trees. You seem to be liking that a whole lot too. Plus, I'm going to be painting with lots of loose, wet colors and turning them into bouquets of flowers. You see them right behind me. So those all start out really loose and messy, and you're going to be painting along as well with me. So I've also added a little section called questions and answers. Happy to do that too. It'll be kind of great. And if I don't know the answer, well, heck, what the heck, I'll just make up the answer. Just kidding, of course. And of course, there'll be email follow-up. You really want to do this. I think it's going to be so great. So get your biggest brush, wet it, really wet it, and I'll be speaking to you online. See you later.